Welcome everyone to the first video on the Phoneye channel. Now, the reason I started this channel was actually specifically to be a phone system related YouTube channel. So we'll be doing stuff on 3CX, FreePBX, and even maybe I might learn some other ones. I don't know, I don't even know what other phone systems are out there, but we might learn some different phone systems on here. But today, I want to show you guys how to install FreePBX 15 onto a Debian system, and we're going to do a series on using FreePBX. So let's run across to our computer and let's check it out. Let's go. So basically, we're over here on our system, and we're going to have a look at what we're looking at. Yeah. So basically, this install script here works amazingly well. Now, just pointing out, you're going to need to have a Debian machine. So I'm using Debian 10. We will be using Debian 10 today, and I'll be using Microsoft Azure. Make sure you actually check out Microsoft Azure. You can get like the free trial with free credits and stuff. So if you want to do that to make this machine, you can. I've tried other providers like AWS. AWS works too. And I've tried Oracle Cloud, and Oracle Cloud doesn't work. So don't try Oracle Cloud because it just doesn't work. They don't even have Debian, and I've tried doing it on CentOS and Ubuntu. It just doesn't work. I've tried. So here we've got our install script. Now I already have an instance all set up, ports forwarded already, as it's all I could get. So the ports you need to have forwarded is, from memory, it's 80, 5060, 5061, and 443. Those are the 4 ports you have to have forwarded to the internet in order for this to work. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up Terminus. I've already got a system running and we're already fully ready to go. Like, we're good. So let's get started. So over here, we're going to go and click on the raw button. And this is going to load up the raw output of the entire script. So we can go ahead and click on here. We can copy it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do sudo -i. Or actually, no, we don't. You can do that if you want to, but seeing as I've run tests on this, we'll just do it within here. And we'll do wget and then paste the link. And there we go. Our script is installed. So if we do ls, we can see our install.sh script. So now if we just do sudo bash install.sh. And just like that, we are now installing FreePBX on our machine. So kick back and wait, because this can normally takes about 20 minutes. So I'm just going to sit here and wait. Okay, so now, from what I can tell, FreePBX has been installed. The first thing we're going to need to do is do sudo reboot, which I can't type. So we'll do sudo reboot, and now we do more waiting. So I'll be back when I'm connected. Okay, so we're reconnected. Our machine clearly is working, so that's something. So let's go ahead and jump across to our internet browser and go to our IP address. And when you enter in this IP address, once you enter in the IP address, not that one, but once you enter the IP address of the server, whatever server you're running, you'll be greeted with the FreePBX panel. So I'm going to put in FPBX as that. I'm just going to let it autofill. There we go. Email address can be that. And then click on Setup. So just basically choose a username, choose a password, type that password in again, choose an email, and then click on Setup System. And now it's going to ask you to log in. So I'm going to select FreePBX Administration. I'm going to autofill. Click Continue. And then on here, it says Select System Language. Now, yeah, English United States will do. So we'll click on Submit. And just like that, FreePBX is now officially installed. You have completed the installation and everything's ready to go. So the last thing you need to do is click on the Apply Configuration button, wait for that to reload, and your FreePBX server is set up. You're ready to go. Now, in the next episode, I'm going to show you how to configure extensions so that you can make internal calls between a coworker or your boss or whoever, so you can make calls internally within the system. And then further down the track, we'll get to external calls. So thank you very much for watching the first video on the Phoneye channel. There's definitely more to come, so make sure you do subscribe. Yeah, I don't like saying that. I don't know why. Yep. Either way, subscribe to the channel, because if you don't, I'll come throw USB sticks at you, right? Yeah. We'll see you in the next video, and next video we'll set up extensions. So anyway, goodbye.